Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this pop-up, that is iTunes.exe. The system has attempted to load or restore a file into the registry, but the specified file is not in a registry file format. So whenever you restart your computer, if you are receiving this pop-up, or whenever you try to open iTunes application on your computer, if you are receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, the first step is to repair or reset iTunes. For this, type in iTunes, or you can go to settings and then go to apps. Now, click on apps and features. Now, in the search box, type in iTunes. Now, over here, you can see iTunes. In my case, there are two. So, click on it. If you have Windows 10, click on it. Then you will see advanced option. If you have Windows 11, then click on this three dot. Then click on advanced options. Scroll down. Click on repair, and after the repair, restart your computer and then check. Still you are receiving the error message. In that case, perform reset. So click on reset, and after the reset, try opening the application or restart your computer. Now, even after the repair and reset, still you are receiving this error. That in that case, uninstall and reinstall iTunes. So type in iTunes in Windows search box, make a right click on iTunes, and then click on uninstall, and then it will open this control panel. Again, find iTunes in the list, select iTunes, then click on uninstall. Now, after the uninstall, restart your computer and the error should go away. Now, if you don't use iTunes, then keep it uninstalled. But if you use iTunes, then after the system restart, open Microsoft Store, and in the search box, you can type in iTunes. And you can reinstall iTunes from Microsoft Store and then install it and restart your computer, and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.